Okay, this is going to be a context video so you understand the Broadway, and basically it's part of the this casino right here, which is the Galaxy. Pretty massive casino. It's a rainy day here today. It's also COVID. You can see from the looks, there's not many people around. It's also raining, which kind of compiles onto the, well, we'll see. I don't know. Once we go in, it could be totally different. So first thing we're going to see when we go in is the check. They're going to do a heat check, and I probably will have to scan my phone. So so we'll expect that in a minute. And all these buses are not going anywhere. I think usually those are sitting here and moving people to the borders. And there's more of them sitting over there too, those yellow ones. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're going in right now. So there's they have the checks, and then we're free to go in. So it's there's a few people around. There's a casino right there. There's the contents of the entrance, just so you can see how it all works. Circle K right here. It's odd if you go in here because they take mostly mainland Chinese things, including like if I tried to get a phone card, when I had one that needed phone cards for Macau, they don't have it there. It's only mainland China phone cards. And actually it's quite empty here. You can see Macau, the green, looks like a new store there. I don't think that was there before that I'm aware of, but I don't need ice cream. So this is, it used to be a rocking chair. They must have moved it inside, or either that or it broke. A lot of people will sit on that and take pictures. So, okay, so this is, there's Pepper Lunch. This is actually a little street that's quite popular with tourists. So when the tourist season is coming, when it's here, it's filled with people. But it's always been a little quiet in the daytime. But you can see up here, there's these lights up here. Today is a Monday as well, so that probably compounds to the quietness. But there's some people around. You can see some people. Rethink Coffee, craft beer. So, okay, that one place is open. Fried food. Broadway Theater. So when I go in there, I don't really see anything in there, but I think they're going to have things in there in the future. So yeah, it's fairly quiet. Looks like this way you can go across. You can walk across these buildings. I seldom see people do that though. It's kind of hard to get up in those stairs. I mean, there's ways to get in, but it feels easier just to be outside, basically. And then over here, this is Macau flavors, authentic Macau flavors. Comidas chicken. That looks very common for what we see here around here. And this will be live band performance. Usually when it's busy, there's usually mostly Chinese watching like a Chinese band, almost always. Mostly mainland audience. Thai restaurant, that's a pretty good one. And then we have this kind of cool artwork here. Might be interesting to examine. Let me see, I can't really make context of it, but yeah, this is like typical of China, but it's also typical of Macau too. That's both typical of both China and Macau as well. So, okay, let's see this one. Kind of typical in both China and Macau. Dragon dance, lion dance, I mean. Lion, dragon. Okay, these are the dumplings. Another dragon one. It's a temple in Macau. Looks like it anyways. Could be something different somewhere else. This is definitely Macau. That's Sonata Square. Nice artwork. I like that. Some people just kind of enjoying. I like how they do that paint. It's like very shadowy and simplistic, and also just really cool. Just really like it. It's like so much better. If you had detail, it would be strange. So I just like the way they kind of tap it and create like a fingerprint smooch, but it has like so much, looks so busy, right? I really like that a lot. That's also the tower in the middle. Not a tower, sorry, a fountain. And yeah, I like it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and this is another big Macau one here. Sao Paulo ruins. Same artist, right? It's little smudges, like 3 little smudges, and that's a person. It's cool. I like how they do that. Then on this side, oh, this is I don't know if I've seen this statue, but there's a statue that's here that has a big thing like that, but I think it looked a little different than that. I thought there's like 3 people in it. So I don't know, that looks really cool though. I'm gonna have to look at that statue again over by Sao Paulo ruins. So yeah, this is Broadway Street. This is a little tuk-tuk one. And then I'm gonna show you where this is in the evening. This will be stuff that kind of attracts kids to spend money, and they'll do like little games, like a little fish tank in here, different things like that. And then this one, Blues, Bikes, Rock and Booze. This one is a popular foreign place, so this one will be filled with foreigners. And last weekend they had a Pixies cover band, and it's daytime right now, so of course it's not that busy. Free parking. But sometimes what they do have here is they'll do what's that called? They'll do MMA. They'll do like MMA fighting. So they'll do MMA fighting and they'll be on a TV set. So I've actually come in and watched MMA in the daytime, or in the morning, sorry. It's kind of cool. And then this one is the Irish bar. So this bar is called Duffy's Irish Pub. And this one, Roadhouse Macau. Actually the other day when they had the Pixies, they had just rows and rows of motorcycles from the Portuguese community was here very heavily. There goes a scooter right there. And then this Irish bar here. So this would be the exit of it. And this would be the Irish bar and the Roadhouse, and the same owner. So you can actually, you know, you might get your food in one, but they'll bring it over here. And drinks too, they'll go back and forth. So it's kind of the same ownership. And let's just kind of take a look in. You can see. Get it. So yeah, pretty cool. Let's just kind of walk through it real quick. Hello. It's doing a YouTube. Yeah, gonna just go walk through and show how cool this bar is. So this is a little private table back here. And it looks really, so you got your Guinness here, you got everything. What time do you open?
We're open now actually.
Oh, nice. Yeah, sounds good. All right.
What's your YouTube channel, sorry?
This is called Get Sidetracked. The YouTube channel is Get Sidetracked.
Get Sidetracked, okay, yeah, no problem.
I'll put it on YouTube.
Yeah, no problem.
And I'll put the name in there too so you can find it.
Yeah, no problem. Cheers, man.
Cheers. Okay, so let's go walk through the other one too. And this is the Roadhouse. So you can see. And then we're gonna end it in a minute. Let's see, so that's the Roadhouse. We'll just see if we can go in and we'll end it there. Roadhouse Macau. Let's just see, we're just gonna sneak in here real quick. I'm gonna have a YouTube, I have a YouTube channel. I'm just going to just show the bar real quick.
Yeah, is it positive YouTube channel?
Yeah.
It really depends.
It's positive.
Give your disclaimer and then I will not let you do it.
It's positive.
I'm just kidding.
So they got the stage right here. And they play, every night they play here, so they always have good stuff here. So yeah, pretty cool place. Really cool venue, so you can go outside, and there's the Irish bar, so they're connected as well. And we'll conclude there. Thank you. So there's the, so they're all opening up. It's, I guess right now it's about 4 o'clock. So there's a couple good places that people can check out, and this will be all filled with people, especially evening. So and then I think, looks like they're building something back here too. I'm not sure what it is, but maybe more hotels or casino related. That's kind of new. And they're also building a path behind here too, so people can walk along the river. So, okay. So now you got oh, there's a big music sign right there too. And back to our murals. So, okay, hope you enjoyed that one. Didn't realize that that has such a reflection there. Okay, so Broadway, Macau. So come check it out once it comes back after. Actually, those expat bars are busy pretty much every night, even during COVID. But the rest is pretty quiet because it depends on tourists, and the other two at the end are more like local expats. And of course, Macanese, Chinese, lots of Portuguese, lots of Australians, Americans, Filipinos. It's very popular among the international crowds. Okay, hope you like that one, and we're gonna end it right here.